my beautiful people. So you guys saw how beautiful this palette was. Now it's time to use it. So this is the NYX X Avatar palette, and honey, I want to play in some new makeup. So let's go. Oh, these shades, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I got no idea what I'm gonna do. They're so beautiful, and I feel like I want to do something that I don't normally do. I want to use colors that I don't normally use, maybe like this green here. I don't really do a green eye, sweetie, so let's see how it goes. So I use this new liquid eyeshadow, and it's called, I'm sure it's called Wraith of Nebula or Wrath of Nebula. I am dyslexic as fuck. I'm so sorry. But we're going to finish this eye look. So far so good. I need to get all the shades. What the hell? This is so good. No patches, no none of that, but we are going to make this pop even more, because right now we're using so many greens, it's looking a little bit washed out. So we're going to do some things, sweetie. So I'm going to do a different color, maybe a purple on the edges, and then maybe line it with a little bit of gold if I can find the gold pen, and then obviously bring some dimension into these eyes. Let's go. So we're going to use the Memo Mitchell. This is a graphic ink. This is gold, and I'm just going to line carefully as much as I can, because my hands are shaky, Anna, and no, I don't drink coffee. They're shaky. I don't even know why. What's going on? But yeah, I'm going to try and line these to just bring some dimension between the shadow and the liquid shadow. So this is what I've come up with so far. I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'm going to get back to these eyes. So here we are again, my lovely. So we're going to go back into this palette, honey, and I'm looking at these purples, this purple shade here and this blue here, and I want to smoke the under eye. But before I get into that, I have a new e.l.f. pen, and this is a no budge retractable eyeliner. And you know me, I love a black eyeliner, sweetie, and it's been a long time since I had a new one. But this is what it's given, guys. So we're going to use this to darken my waterline, and yeah, let's go. Oh my god, that was black as hell, and I love it. And I did do a little bit of a messy look because I'm going to smudge it out and mix it in with the pigment that I'm going to use now. Maybe this might need a little bit of setting spray. Hold on. And I'm going to smudge it out. That's a beautiful blue, guys. Wow. It's a damn shame. 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 My mama told me that I reap what I sow. But